Hey guys, Greg in the Garage series. What we're looking at is a Rampage Trailcrawler Skid Plate. It is a direct bolt-on. It is 3/16 steel. The black powder coat is OE match. It does fit with the factory bumper, and it fits with most aftermarket bumpers. The skid plate comes with a lighted and non-lighted version. This is the non-lighted. The lighted includes a 20-inch Cree LED 3000 lumen light bar and wiring harness, and the design of it, it spreads a really nice broad light pattern for off-roading. So the installation takes about an hour to put it on. It's not that hard. It's removal of the original pieces from the bottom part of the bumper, and it also requires 2 nut certs to be put in on each corner, left and right. You're looking at probably 2 out of 10 wrenches as far as how hard is it to install. Not that hard, takes a little bit of time. So if you want to know more about the Rampage Trailcrawler, make sure and check out the description below. We'll have both part numbers, the non-lighted like you see here, and the part number for the lighted. Click the link to the Performance Corner dealer locator. Find the Performance Corner store near you. They'll be able to answer any questions you have, be able to get you the part, both of lighted and non-lighted, and even install it if that's something that you'd like to have them do. This has been Greg, Performance Corner in the Garage.